Hello! Welcome again to OK, I guess, beautiful internet people. I have returned to you and you only. I've been gone for a while, doing some holiday stuff. Came down with a little cold. But you know what? Now I'm back. And I'm back to keep on doing this. This is what I do. There's more to that, but oh well. That's what I got so far. So today, not really sure what to talk about, but I'm going to wing it anyway. I'm not trying to force it. Might as well have been... School is going to start again, which I'm really happy about, because I can continue baking and making stuff. Food and stuff. Because if I didn't make and bake food and stuff, then I don't think I'd have much of a purpose. I'm not really good at much things, such as singing, sometimes dancing, writing in cursive. Yeah, that kind of thing. I can't write in cursive. I can't. I tried. It just does not work for me. I don't know how people can do it. I wish I knew how people could do it, but I just don't. It over my head every time. But I guess there's probably someone out there who's amazing at cursive, can write cursive in any kind of format ever. And he can do that because he's got skills. I mean, it's okay. He got skills. I got skills. Especially in Smash Brothers. Mostly because I used Princess Peach. Yeah, go ahead. Laugh it up. Oh, Princess Peach is weak. Yeah. Everybody always says that until they get a crown to the face. It's unfriendly. But that's a topic for another day. School, as you guys know, hopefully you've been watching the rest of my episodes to figure this out already, but I go to Kahoma Community College. And I start going there again on Monday. You know, Monday, the most evil of days. Someone created Monday to spite us. Either that or Monday was created to appreciate the weekends more. It's a little toss-up. But I'm going to be doing school stuff again. I might even get a laptop this time. So I won't have to go to the library every time I upload one of these videos. Seriously, that's annoying. Because, I get there too late, I have to make one of these, and then all of a sudden, I miss my deadline. And people lose faith in me. And I don't like losing faith. Because if you lose faith, you can't use Ultima. Anyone who isn't a gamer will not get that joke. But the point recedes once again. I'm trying to stop myself from rambling and going off topic that much. It's really, really difficult for me to do, but I'm going to try. For you. For you. Whoever is watching this at the moment. For you! I'll do it for you and whoever is watching it with you. Because I have loyalty for days. Of course, some people only say I have loyalty for 3 days. How many days I have loyalty is debatable. But I do have loyalty. I have an element of loyalty. Okay, that came out wrong. So I've been thinking about getting a new hat. I don't know why. I mean, this hat is pretty black and awesome. Look at that haircut. Sexy haircut. Pow. But I got the sexy haircut so I can wear the sexy hat. Which, doesn't show my sexy haircut. But we all gotta make sacrifices. So... Excuse me. Sorry. Didn't need to hear that. Now, right now, I'm right next to a big-ass lake. Check it out. Look at all that lake. All of that lake. I never thought I'd be this close to the Lakers. That was a bad joke, and I'm probably going to be punished for that at some point today. Now, what I want to know is, about my school, is why isn't there a dodgeball at Kahoma? Or at least a boxing club. They don't have either. I'm going crazy. And this is like the second time I've done okay, I guess, outside. But it's really cold out here. And that just means how dedicated I am to this. Even though I haven't made one in a few weeks. That's because I haven't been able to go outside in a few weeks because it's been very, very cold out here. It's colder here than it is in Seattle. Seriously. I don't know how that is possible. But I've been sick because of it, and it's been stupid. And I don't know. I just don't know. Ooh. I don't know. But I guess I'll find out one day. I can't wait to take my classes again and see, people I actually like. People I don't like, I really hope they're not there. But I know they're going to be there anyway. So I'll just deal with them with a sense of poison rationality. I need to look up what that means later. But I'll deal with them in that formation. And hopefully we can be civil. I really hope we can be civil, especially since there is a student there named Sybil now. I'm pretty sure if I make that joke around her, I'm going to get bitch slapped. Totally worth it. Excuse me. I need to stop coughing on the screen. That's unprofessional. Though this isn't a very professional video series in the first place. Come on. Gotta cut the line somewhere. Draw the line, not cut it. Just go. So, yeah, I'm gonna be busy. Getting them grades up, baking them cakes and pies. Coughing my lungs out for some reason. Damn. And it's gonna be delicious, nutritious, and most of all, it's gonna make people feel warm inside, which would help because it's way too cold outside. Like, damn. I could barely walk out here without freezing to death. And I almost did. But, all things aside, it's actually a pretty good day. But I wish I had got shades. I left them home yesterday because the sunlight hurts my eyes. And I wish it didn't hurt my eyes because I need these to see. But I need to stop saying but. Or at least say booty or something. Booty? No. Booty is important. And so is chicken. I wish I had some thinking chicken right now, but I don't have any chicken anymore. I'm sad. Very sad. So, while I got the time, running out of episode material, there's one thing that bothers me about Smash Brothers, and that is Jigglypuff. I despise fighting Jigglypuff in every sense and fashion. That little puffball is a terror against humanity. Hide your kids, hide your wife, because she's gonna put them to rest. Damn. She's gonna put them to rest, and you'll never see them again. She's gonna make sure they rest in peace. Because if you're not careful, you're getting rest. Beware the Jigglypuff. Heed my warning. If you play Smash, beware the pink terror. Ooh. Ghost. Okay. That was stupid. Sorry for being dumb. Expect more of these in the future because, we ain't gonna stop. So, this is Wendell Henderson signing off. See you later.